Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on search bar and type here cmd, run as administrator, select as. Now type these commands carefully. You will get all these commands in the description below. Just copy them and paste on command prompt window and hit enter to execute them. Now just follow my screen. After that, enter this command and hit enter. Then type net stop command. These commands are really important. To avoid mistakes, just copy all commands one by one and paste here and hit enter to execute them. Now execute this command, crypt svc. After that, type net start bits and hit enter. Then type net start MSI server and hit enter. After that, net start app ID svc and hit enter. Now close this window. Again go to search bar, type troubleshoot settings, click here. Then go to other troubleshooters, select Windows Update and run. It will take some time to detect the problem and fix it. After that, close all windows one by one. Go to search bar and type services. Click here to open it. On this window, just select the service, right click on it and select properties and select startup type as automatic. Then click on apply and then OK. Again, right click on Windows Updates, select properties, and we need to set startup type as automatic. Then save all changes and close this window. Now open File Explorer, then open C drive, then open Windows folder. Here we need to open software distribution folder, then open download folder. Select all these files, right click and just delete them. Now close this window and again go to search bar, type here Chrome, open any web browser. From this site, just copy this. You will get this link from the description below. Just copy and paste, and then now you need to follow my screen. Click here to download the file. Okay, go to desktop. Let's save this one. Click here and select keep. After that, close this window. Now install this setup file, Windows Update installer. Once done, click on OK. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.